Okay, in this video, I'm going to do a quick comparison between these two Bob and Brad different models here. So this one right here is the C2J, and this is the Q2 Ultra Max. And let me show you what you get with each one of these. So starting with the Q2 Ultra Max, so you're going to get something, and I'm just going to go over what's unique about each one. You get this padded foam one for like the forehead or the back of the hands or maybe the top of the foot, where it's a more like sensitive area. You use that. But one thing you get with this is the red light therapy. So if you're into the red light therapy of this one, you get red light therapy and heating only with this one right here. Now the other attachments are the same, the little bullet, the ball, and the padding. But another thing that's unique about this one is it has amplitude adjustment on the top. You can see how it goes from 5 to 10, so you can adjust the amplitude, which is back and forth right there. And then I like this one that you have more of like a T-grip for really getting down in there better. So it's a different type of holding style right there. Now looking over at the C2 model, the C2 model is your traditional gun. It's a lot heavier, so it's a little harder to travel with if you're traveling like I do. You get on a plane or a bus or something like that and you want to keep it with you in your bag. This would be more at home type setup in my opinion. And with this one, I'm just going to go over the most every other thing, the bullet, the pad, and all that's exactly the same. Nothing new there. This right here is very unique because it has cooling feature. I don't know how well you can hear that. It has a cooling feature. It has an ice feature. And to put these on, there is a little line right there. You just push them on like that. That is actually cold to the touch. And it has heating right here, so you can go cold or heating. So if this is more for recovery. Actually, you could own both of these because of the fact that's my travel one. That's my all-around one and does the red light therapy and the heat. This one does the cooling and the heat and kind of like would help with repair or like some sort of injury or something like that. I love having both of these and having them both set up. This one stays at home and this is my travel kit. Personally, if I had to go with one, I'd probably go with the Q2 model right here because I think the Q2 is a better option for travel and all around, but I love the cooling feature of this. So if I got a lot of soreness going on, I'll use the C2 with the cooling feature and get a massage in. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's my quick comparison of the Q2 Bob and Brad and the C2 Bob and Brad. See y'all in the next video.